It's Friday, August 29th. In the headlines, press freedom takes center stage at Election Leadership Debate 2025. The Electoral Office of Jamaica responds to the People's National Party's concern over security forces voting arrangements. And the Jamaica Labour Party unveils new AI assistant to allow public access to their manifesto. In business news, the Bank of Jamaica generated net profits of $21.6 billion in total assets. Regionally, Cuba condemns U.S. warship buildup in the region. And in sports, Windies to face Sri Lanka in a 7-match Under-19 series. This is the Weekend News on PBC Jamaica. I'm Simone Absalom Gale. For the full newscast, head over to our YouTube and Facebook pages.